Imagine if you can identify failures before they happen. Today, with intelligent technology, you can. Manufacturing assets are expensive and appropriate protection is needed. Don't you think it's time to take the next step? Meet Joseph. He works as an operations manager for an industrial plant, and he relies on a Microsoft AI-based maintenance service to optimize costs and ensure production runs smoothly. Using predictive maintenance models that evaluate inputs from sensors in real time, he can anticipate failures and prioritize specific unplanned tasks. He can also reduce costly downtimes with an anomaly detection system, which provides valuable information to help him avoid further issues. Start saving time and money by protecting your equipment with Microsoft AI-based solutions. Keep your existing machine data logs, connect your plants to Azure, and get a single view across all of your assets. Be like Joseph. Evolve from preventive to predictive maintenance and transform your manufacturing business now. Microsoft AI, transforming business processes with intelligent technology.